Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can crop an image diagonally in Canva. And there are three methods that I'm about to show you. But before we start, I want to let you know that cropping an image diagonally in Canva is just not possible. It is not something that is available natively in the platform. The only cropping technique that we have in this platform is either vertically or horizontally. So if you have this image, for example, you see that you can click on any of these four control points and then you can drag it to the left or to the right to make the image be bigger or smaller, or basically you can control which part of the image you want to be visible and which part that you want to crop. But the same cannot be said for the control points that are located on the corner of the image. If you click on any of those, you can basically see that it is for resizing, it is not for cropping. So how do you actually crop an image diagonally so you can get the result that look like this? Well, let me show you the first method. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this page. So the first method is basically we are going to be using a frame. So frame is a feature in Canva that is essentially like a placeholder for an image, and then you can put an image into the frame and the image will follow the shape of the frame. Let me show you how. Go to elements and then you can search for frame, and there is going to be this option, click see all, and I'm going to insert this diamond shape, and after that I'm going to click on this image and then drag it to this diamond shape. So this frame is basically containing the image, and now we have an image that's kinda cropped diagonal, even though it wasn't, but you know, in some way it is similar to when you're cropping an image diagonally. So that was the first method. The second method is we are going to create an illusion of an image like it was being cropped diagonally. Let me go back and I'm going to duplicate this page again. Notice that the background is white, and we can actually exploit that. We can put a content, an element on the corner, let's say on the bottom left corner and also the top right corner of the image, and the result will be similar to the first example that I show you. And this is actually pretty easy. So what you need to do now is you have to go to elements and you want to insert shapes, click see all, and I'm going to select this object, which is also the diamond shape. Let's change the color to white, and after that I'm going to drag it right here, and I'm going to duplicate this element and I'm going to put it here. So that will give us a result that is similar to cropping an image diagonally, although this is again just an illusion and you have to work with the background as well. If the background is gradient, then it's pretty much impossible. So that brings us to the third method. So for the third method, is actually not difficult, and the third method is actually the one that I have shown you the example before. So let me show you how. First, this is the image. You have to put an image into a new canvas, and after that you want to rotate it, let's say 30 degrees, and make sure everything is within the frame. Okay, so when you're done, you want to click share, click download, make sure to select the PNG file, enable transparent background. This is very important, and I'm going to download this current page, just this page, which is this image that I want to download to my computer. Click done and click download. Okay, now the image is being downloaded, and I'm going to upload this image to my Canva account. So this image is coming from this image. They're actually almost the same, but this one is actually has a different shape or different orientation, and that is one thing that is very important. Let me remove this image and let's put this image in the middle. All right, everything looks good. Now we can crop this image normally by using the vertical or horizontal cropping. You can click, let's say, on this one, and then you can also click on this one. You can even click on this one. You can crop the bottom part as well. And when you're done, you can rotate the image back to the original position. So I think it was 30 degrees if I'm not mistaken. So it's back to negative 30 degree and we got this result. You can make the image bigger, and yeah, this is pretty much how you can crop an image. You can crop an image diagonally in Canva. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.